This is day 8 of keeping up with TJR on his daily videos. Today's video was about advanced concepts on imbalance or fair value gap. Between those is the new day opening gap, new week, new candle, and those pretty much mean that between each opening or actually closing and opening of this time frames, the day, the week, and candle, the price will tend to try and fill in that gap automatically. It's not a concrete confluence that we can use, but it is useful to take into consideration whenever that's going on, especially the new week, since we can actually see it on probably 4-hour time frame and then scale down to 5 minutes or 30 minutes and kind of like have a general view of how the price action would react. And also something called BPR, which is basically whenever the market does a swift movement between the fair value gaps, even if they're stacked up, it will tend to kind of like after a while do the same swift movement in the opposite direction after some probably consolidation would be the word. So those are the kind of like the general concepts that was mentioned and how to keep up with them. Again, today was Thursday, January 8th. No trading still. This week was filled with news. I haven't even checked how the charts have been doing, kind of like just seen a little bit, but not really done a deep analysis on them. But following these concepts that TJR has been saying, I will be trying to make the analysis for Sunday and the following week after that. Other than that, I'm not sure what videos he's planning on uploading over the weekend, but on my part, I think I still need to define which what's the word I'm looking for? Which, not stocks, but which, man, I forgot the word. Which pairs would I be using? I think TJR has stopped using any pairs as a whole and just focused on like futures for the S&P 500 or something like that. Still gotta define that at the same time as actually have a concrete trading plan, kind of like, or more than trading plan, like the structure of what broker to use, how to trade, if I'm going to be trading on the phone or on the computer. But at this point, it's pretty much monkey see, monkey do, kind of like just copy and paste everything that TJR does while trying to like reflect on it and be conscious of the decisions that he's doing, so that yeah, we can start this path to profitability. I did say that I was planning on seeing some results in 4 or 5 months, so kind of like optimistic on that part. First week is finished, and let's see. I'm gonna keep uploading daily, holding myself accountable for this and not stop. By the end of the year, I should have 65 videos done and see how the numbers are doing by then. And once again, trading is not about making money. It's a skill in which you accurately predict the price, and money is just a side effect of that. So it's going to be about developing that skill and yeah, of course, self-interest. Let's make some money on that.